Good morning. Have you listened and recapped the sounds? Good job. Are you ready for today's phonics lesson? Now, yesterday we looked at the alternative ways that we can pronounce this letter. Do you remember? Band, laptop, splash, hat. Ah. Say it with me. Ah. Bagel, apron, angel, apron. What sound? A. Say it with me. A. Ah, a, ah, a, ah, a. Well, do you remember yesterday I told you that this cheeky letter actually has 4 different sounds, which is why spellings can sometimes be a bit tricky. So, listen and learn super carefully. Today we're going to learn 2 more. Well, one of them we found in yesterday's lesson. Do you remember? We're going to look at R, and O. Isn't it funny that O makes an O sound? You'd think that's the letter O. And R sounds a bit like the letter R. Bit confusing, so make sure you're paying attention. R, say it with me. R, O, O. Do you know any words that's going to be hard with the R sound? Maybe some pictures will help you. Something happens, something lunch. After. Say it with me. After. What's this? Grass. Sound it out with me. Grass. Oh, I can't remember what this one is. What might they be doing? Oh, I remember now. What are they doing against each other? They're going in a... Ooh. No, maybe it's not a race. They're running really fast. Silly Miss Clark. That's the A sound in race, not R in fast. Fast. Now, what is this down the middle? You walk on the P. Some of you might not say this word. It's more of an English word. Maybe you might. Can you do it with me? Path. Good. After, fast, grass, path. Sound. Tricky. Okay. What about the O sound? O. Do you know any O sounds that are actually spelt with an A? Now, it's hard to find pictures of these, so let's have a look at sounding them out together. Ready? O, T. What? Now, this is a spelling mistake lots of children make. Can you remember that instead of the O sound, the O, we use an A? I wonder, I'm going to look out in your lessons to see if you can remember. O, T. What? It's a cheeky letter A for the O sound. Was. O, S. Was. Want. O, N, T. Want. I hope you're doing it with me. The last one's a bit tricky. W, O, N, D. Wander. If you're wandering around somewhere. Ready? Should we do it again all together, super quick? W, O, T. What? W, A, S. Oh, not ah, silly Miss Clark. That's because we're going fast. Oh sound. Ready? W, O, S. Was. W, O, N, T. Want. W, O, N, D. Wow, well done everyone. The O sound. So today we're looking at R and O. Can you read these words thinking about your R and O sound? Ready? Pause the video if you need more time. I want O. W, O, N, T. I want to wander down the path. I want to wander down the path. Your turn. I will run fast after lunch. Your turn. What grass was the cat? Oh, that was one of our sounds from yesterday. Eating, our E sound. O. Oh, can we try all together? This is going to be hard. Ready? O. 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 Can you do it again by yourself? It's super quick. Ready? Oh, amazing, everyone. I think you're ready for test time. Grab your whiteboard or a piece of paper, and don't forget, if you want to pause the video to give you some more time, please do. Ready? Your first word is what. What. Remember, sound out each sound. Your second spelling is fast. Fast. Your next spelling is want. Want. Number 4, was. Was. Could you hear the O sound? And the last one, after. After. Did you hear all the O and R's? Ready for your sentence? You can do it. This is a silly one. What on your... Okay, ready? What are you doing eating grass after lunch? Question mark, it's a question. What are you doing eating grass after lunch? One more time. What are you doing eating grass after lunch? Ooh, that's tricky. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's reveal the answers. Number 1 was what? W, What? We have the O sound. W-H-A-T. Your next spelling was fast. F-A-S-T. Fast. Had the R sound. F-A-S-T. Want. W-O-N-T. Want. The O sound. W-A-N-T. Was. Was. W-O-S. Was. Wait, the O sound. W-A-S. And the last one, after. A-F-T-E-R. A-F-T-E-R. Have a look at your sentence. What are you doing eating grass after your lunch? What are you doing eating grass after your lunch? Well done if you got those spellings right. See if you can use them in this week's work and during language time. Good job, everyone. Time for the game. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.